Hello, Karin here on behalf of Makers Mercantile with the top 5 things to look for in today's newsletter. So item number 1 is really exciting. I don't know if you remember, it was 4 to 6 weeks ago that we brought out a bat shawl. It was a shadow knitting shawl. So for those of you who don't know what shadow knitting is, it means if you look straight on at something, it just looks like stripes. But if you look at it from the side, you actually get an image. And in this case, we have a unicorn image, very magical unicorn image. So your kit is going to come with these yarns right here, as you can see. And inside, this is all a 50 cotton, 50 poly blend. There are 10 little baubles. These are little mini baubles. And these are going to be your rainbow stripes. And then you have one big bauble, and that's going to be your contrasting color. And your contrasting color is very interesting because it's multi-stranded, just like the little mini baubles, but in these multi-strands are both navy, black, and there's a metallic. So that makes the unicorn even more magical. These kits are running at $89. It is limited, so if you want one, I would say grab it as soon as you can. Second item on our list. Sticking with unicorns, we actually have a small supply of these unicorn bags left. Ta-da! These were, the design was drawn by Franklin Habit. It was part of one of our knit-alongs that we had earlier in the year. And they have been marked down. They're a steal. So if you need gifts for somebody for the holidays, this is a great thing to get. Staying with unicorns, ta-da! We actually have unicorn scissors. I know. It's sort of weird how many unicorn things we have. Oops, and I have them upside down. So these are our rainbow unicorn scissors. They are a stainless steel with a little bit of an iridescent rainbow finish on them. They have a really nice sharp tip, and I like using to snip my yarns, and actually when I'm snipping fabric at the ends, it's got a really sharp tip, so it works really well for that. Going into rainbows, look at this. We have from Knitter's Pride, we have rainbow blockers. Now, we all know that at some point in our lives, if we're knitters or crocheters, that we're going to have to block an item. And these knit blockers, they're really, really great. This set, as you can see in the photo up here, just happens to have lots of different colors in it. So they're rainbow knit blockers, and we have some of those sets available for you online and in our shop. All right. What else do we have? Rainbow fabric, yes. We have a 100% cotton. Now, some of you are probably saying, this is a deja vu. Yes, I brought this cotton out probably around 3 months ago when we first got it in. However, since we're doing rainbows and unicorns today, I thought I would bring it out again. It is from Art Gallery Fabrics, so it's a higher thread count than most of your cottons that are out there, making it excellent for masks. This would also be really cute for sheets for baby, or, sheets for yourself. What the heck? And if you don't want to have fabric, how about ribbon? Oop. This is a ribbon that looks like a rainbow. I wouldn't exactly call it a rainbow because the colors aren't exactly rainbow. They actually call it the hypnotizer. It comes in 2 colors, or we carry it in 2 colors, let's put it that way. Here's a bright pink one as well. And it looks like it has little rainbows on it. I would think this would be great as a border on a bag or on a top, on the inside of a sweater that you have steeked, if you want something fun and funky, if it's not that traditional. These ribbons would be a great thing to have. And last but not least, I just want to mention a few things. First of all, make sure to go to our promotions page because October 31st is actually the deadline date for a lot of specials that we have going on, including the Sueño at 10% off. Staying on a rainbow theme, just wanted to point out for the holidays, we still have some of our fabulous comically knitting bags available, and we'll continue to carry these. They come in a beautiful mango, a raspberry, and a lime, and they have little words on them like knit 2 together, got gauge, and so on. So anyone who loves comics, it's a really great gift that you can get them that doesn't need to be sized or fit or anything else. And then we have our merino cotton. I just had to bring this out because this is a rainbow sweater, but our merino cotton this is actually not even in the newsletter, but I'm bringing it about because we got the rainbow here. Merino cotton is a 50% cotton, 50% merino blend. It's only $5 a ball right now. It's been marked down several times because it is discontinued, but it is a really great transitional yarn. This is more of a DK weight if you're looking for something like that, and still available in quite a few colors. You'll find that in our clearance area online. So I think that about does it for today. We thank you for listening to us, and we hope that you have a really wonderful weekend. You get some creativity in there, and we'll see you again on Tuesday, which happens to be Election Day. So if you can vote early and vote this weekend and you haven't voted yet, go for it. Otherwise, we'll see you on Tuesday when you're voting. Thank you. Ciao.